Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Daniel at Reseller Lifestyles. You can hit me up at resellerlifestyles@gmail.com with any questions or concern, any thing that you want to know about, or me make a video about reselling and eBay and whatever, what have you. Because this is what this channel is all about. And today, if this your first time here, I would like for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you want to become and learn how to resell. If this is your second time, still don't forget to do the same thing. And today we're going to get into how to put up your first listing up on eBay. All right. First off, you could take I suggest taking the pictures on your phone, have them already on your phone, connect your phone, connect your phone to your computer with the USB thing and everything else like that. And I'm going to share my screen real quick so you guys can see how this goes down. Hold on, let me see how this goes. All right, the share screen button right there. All right. Let me get over to my, let me go over to my eBay account right quick. All right. All right, where are we at? All right, cool. Got me way off in the corner over here. That's cool, out the way, so you can kind of see what's going on around here. Cool. Go right here. You go to the ebay.com, go to my eBay, click on selling, move that out the way. And then you want to come over to the top here. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell is it? All right. Once you start your little thing here, you want to hit create listing. All right. And I do have a draft that I was working on, but I want to show you guys from scratch how to do this after you take your pictures. All right. So you're just gonna type in the name of the whatever it is. In this case, is Angels Capri Jeans Women's Size 26. And then you're just going to hit enter. We're in the department. We hit the style button. We hit that and everything like that. And we're going to continue without a match because I don't never choose those options they give you because they're not going to match unless you're selling something brand new or something like that. Then yeah. All right, so then you're going to go over here, right? Now you got your phone hooked up, right? You got your phone hooked up. You're just going to go over here where it says Daniel Note 20. Then you're going to click on that. And then you're going to go to here where it says DCIM. You click on that folder. You want to click on the camera. And then you want to scroll down all the way down at the bottom because this is where we're going to be at. You're going to copy all of these, all the pictures that pertain to this. right? So you're just gonna go, you're gonna left click and hold, form this little blue block right there, bam. Whoa, hold on, screwed it up. All right, I'm gonna show you the right way to do it this time. So that way you can get the pictures all at once instead of just doing one at a time. You scroll down and you're just gonna copy like this, highlight, then you're gonna hold it down and then look at that. All 5 pictures is gonna go, I'm gonna drop this right over here to the side. Just hold it down right there and you're gonna drop that right into documents. You're gonna copy it to documents. Boom, you click on documents and guess what? Look, all those pictures are there. See that? Boom, 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 boom. You click on that. Now you got your pictures. Bow, bow, bow. Boom. Got your pictures. Good enough. Then you go and just fill in the rest of the stuff. Whatever. Blue. It's a dark wash. Solid. Yeah, see, it's all filled in for you. You just fill in the little stuff right here. They're pre-owned. And then you just write up a little description. Basically, you can just start off with the title right here. Boom. You write something like this. Very nice free jeans. Something like that. Ships within 1 day. Ships within 1 day. With free returns. It's free 30-day returns. You always want to have free 30-day returns. 30-day returns. You want to write this stuff because it makes the customer feel a little bit more comfortable buying from you. So when you tell them the name of that, you say, hey, this is a very nice Capri jeans, whatever, no flaws, whatever you want to put in there. And then you tell them it ships within 1 day with free 30-day, no question asked returns. Return. If are unsatisfied. Bam. All right. Boom. And then right here, under that, after you get through writing all that crap, you want to type in like measurements. Bam. Put that there. Waist. I've already measured them, so I know what they are. They're 40 inches. And inseam, which is the other measurement from the seam down to the ankle seam, the crotch seam down, you know. I can show you that if you don't understand what the inseam is. I can show you that in another video. but the inseam on this is 24 inches. Also, it has a rise of 9 inches, and I'll show you what all of that stuff means. And then underneath, what I do is I like to put in a little spot inventory where you're going to keep it. I have a little inventory system, so we're just going to put it in this bin here, A007-4. Just doing that, and then you just go down here, and then you set your price, $22. All right. Accept offers. We do accept offers, and I have pre-selected shipping plans too. Actually, there's a lot going on, but yeah, but that's basically it. Once you put it in, you always want to do a little promotion. I usually just do 2%. That should be good enough. Boom, and bam, and there you go. You're done. Hit list, and you're live. You are live. Just like that. So there you have it. That is how you list your first. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by. I'm going to take up too much of your time. And that is all for now. Until the next time, stay tuned. Peace.